Welcome back to the channel. So today we got some excitement going. We've got a new tune that we're going to be downloading into the giveaway car. If you haven't seen this is our 2000 B5 S4 that we are doing a giveaway on. One of the cleaner ones that I have seen. Pretty much stock, and today we're going to be putting a Brad Watkins fully decked out tune into this thing. So let's get to it, plug in there, and get this thing downloaded. Get some pops, bangs, flames, two-steps, rolling into like all the good stuff. If you haven't entered, get yourself a hat, a hoodie, t-shirt, something. Every $5 gets you an entry to win this car. So let's get to tuning. Alright guys, time to get this thing tuned up. Step one, we're gonna get our cable plugged in. The old laptop fired up here. Alright, got the file downloaded, so we're going to hop in here. Choose the file. This open it. Key on, connect, and rate the flash. Alright, so we're going to let this flash here for a minute, get some heat in this engine, and go out and take it for a spin, see what kind of noises it makes. Alright, tune is flashed. Let's see if she'll start. It sounds good. Let's get some heat in this engine and we'll take it out and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so we are out here cruising the giveaway car after doing the Brad Watkins tune on it. So this is stage 1.5 with all the goodies: launch control, rolling anti-lag, pops and bangs, all the good stuff. Makes all the noise with safe boost levels to where you can daily drive this without the fear of blowing up your KO3s on the first rip. So we're gonna go warm it up a bit, get some heat in the engine, and then kind of show you what it's all about. But so far, drivability is way better than the previous tune that was on the car. Again, I don't really have any knowledge of who actually made the tune. It was an old, probably 15-year-old tune. Way too aggressive, had misfire recognition apparently either turned off or way back, because you could feel it break up a little bit at the top end, but it wouldn't recognize the misfires. So wasn't comfortable with that, so now we know we got some good tune in it. We can go rip it and see what it really actually got. So stay tuned, let's get some heat in this thing and do a few pulls. Just a few things. I'm gonna have to swap out the airbag or rewire it. This is a B6 airbag, hence the lights. I'm either going to swap out the airbag back to a B5 or wire it up for the B6. And I'm gonna get some washer fluid in it there. As you can see, no other lights at all on the dash of this car. But for now, we'll get some heat in it and then go do a little pool on it. Alright guys, so of course, hasn't rained in days. The day I go out to do some testing, we get rain. But anyway, we'll give it a shot real quick. I'm gonna granny shift it. I do want whoever wins this car to have the best possible clutch. So we won't be doing anything crazy. I did one launch just to prove that it can do it, and that is all that this clutch is gonna see. We'll let the abuse for the whoever wins it. So we're just gonna do some nice granny shifts, kind of give you an idea what this car can do. So let's get after it.